I have an alarm going, of RCHG. Any ideas?
Hello from Ja, my name is Woody. I will be glad to assist you today. I have been servicing all major brands of appliances for 34 years, and have over 100,000 in-home repairs and over 50,000 phone and internet repairs under my belt. The RCHG is an error code telling you the refrigerant system is low on refrigerant, and need to have service preformed on the sealed refrigeration system. How old of a unit is this?
Not very old. I bought it last year, new.
Is it out of the manufacturer's warranty, do you know? It should have a 5-year warranty for the sealed refrigeration system.
Good question, I'll check.
Okay, if it is still in the manufacturer warranty, I recommend contacting them for warranty service. This will be an expensive repair if it is not under warranty. If it needs recharged, it has a leak somewhere. I see you have not had time to get back to me as of yet, nor rated my answer. You may have been busy. If you still need my assistance, just let me know. Woody.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.